Hello student, let's try to understand a problem student. What are the major part of the brain student? Mention the function of different part. So if you talk about the main part student, so here is the first one is cerebrum of the forebrain, hypothalamus is there, cerebellum of the hindbrains and medulla is there. So let us try to understand cerebrum student. It is the cerebrum is the largest part in the human brain. It divides into two hemispheres called the cerebral hemisphere. What is the function? The cerebrum control the voluntary motor action. It is the site of sensory perceptions like tactile and auditory perceptions. It is the seat of learning and memory student. So this is the cerebrum where the information received student, like the smell, there are receptors for the smell is there, for hearing is there, for the learning is there, for emotion. Next one is hypothalamus. This control the temperature student. The hypothalamus lies at the base of the cerebrum. It control the sleep and wake cycles, cardiac rhythm student of the body. It also control the urge for the eating and drinking student. Cerebellum. Cerebellum lies below the cerebrum and at the back of the whole structure. It coordinate the motor function when you are riding your bicycle. The perfect coordination between your paddling and the steering control is achieved by the cerebellum. Medulla. So medulla forms the brain stem along with the pons. It lies at the base of the brain and continue into the spinal cord. Medulla control various involuntary function like heartbeat and respiration. So these are there student that we have to understand that in short you can understand the cerebrum, okay, the forebrain, okay, here the thinking part involved student, here learning involved student. There is a receptors are there for the hearing, smell, olfactory receptors are there, olfactory lobes are there. Hypothalamus, it control the temperature of the body student. Cerebellum student, cerebellum, it coordinate the motor function student, balance the body student. Medulla, it form the brain stem student along the pons. It lies at the lies base of the brain and continue into spinal cord. Medulla control various involuntary action like the heartbeat, respiration, and that all student. Involuntary action is controlled by medulla. Thank you very much for watching students.